RD Manalastas. And the race is on. Beyond Good, Wondrous Win from the outside, rising up his big packet. Moving up Danori inside in this favorite. Dico Akaline, Tucker's Diamond, Ace Conveyance. Rounding the far turn, Wondrous Win by ahead. Big packet from the outside in this favorite. Danori inside. As they race the last 500, three runners fighting it out for the lead. Wondrous Win by ahead in the middle. In this favorite, Danori inside and on the outside is Big Packet. As they race the last 200, Wondrous Win, Big Packet is on the outside in this favorite. Dico Akaline and Tucker's Diamond on the further outside. Wondrous Win, Tucker's Diamond is on the outside. Moves up. And finally, Tucker's Diamond, Wondrous Win in this favorite 1A, Big Packet, Dico Akaline, Beyond Good, and Ace Conveyance.